Early Head Start. My name is Michelle, and today we're going to do some mad science. We're going to start out with a color-changing volcano. So you should have everything here in your house. If not, you already have the kit. So we're going to make it a little bit more exciting today. We're going to start with water, and we're going to put some baking soda, and we're going to put some soap and some colors in there, and then we're going to blow it up. So let's see what happens. First the water. And then the baking soda. All the baking soda all together. And then we're going to add the soap. And we're just going to dribble that on in. And I think we'll start with the red. Because, you know, my favorite color is purple, so we're going to try to make purple. So we're going to start with red. We're going to put some red in here. How much? That's up to you. You tell me what works in the comments below. And then we got to stir this mess up. Try to get all your baking soda stirred up into that water. Don't forget to like our page, because, you know, if we know you guys like stuff, then we're more likely to do it. My vinegar fell on the floor. That's okay. Here it is, the vinegar. We're going to add this vinegar into this cup, and we're going to hopefully not get a mess all over my white shoes. But what do you think is going to happen? Go ahead and comment below if you think we're going to make a mess. Melinda thinks we're going to make a mess. She backed away. Check that out. It's pink. Yes, cool. It doesn't smell bad either because the soap, it kind of smells like soap. So I'm going to add in the blue. We're going to make a color changing volcano because it still looks pink, right? We're going to give her a little swirl. Just make sure we got that baking soda working in there. Okay, are you ready? Don't forget to subscribe too, because then you'll automatically know when these awesome things are going. Okay, here we go. Oh, there's the blue. I want to save just a little bit for the next color. Let's give it a stir and see what happens. It's really bubbly. Okay. Uno más. This is yellow. I got told it looked like a little bit like mustard today. I think mustard looks like yellow. The blue's still going. It's still coming out. So, we got red, we got blue, we got yellow. Let's see if we can make some green or some brown. What do you think's going to come out? Green or brown? Let's find out. It's still yellow. It's kind of greenish yellow though, right? I wonder, I don't want to kill the experiment by putting water in there, but let's stir this sucker up and see what we can do. It's probably still good for probably another whole bottle of vinegar, but that's all we're gonna get. Check that out. The more I stir it, the more it comes out even more brighter yellow. Okay, we'll be back with another experiment.
Hi, Michelle. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm getting ready to make our next science project.
Oh, can I watch?
Of course. Come on over.
What are we doing?
We're going to make some smoothies today.
Ooh.
Because whether you know it or not, cooking is science.
Oh.
So, we got our instructions. And it says we need some fruit. I have peaches and strawberries. So we're going to make a peach and strawberry smoothie.
Oh, that sounds good.
So we're going to have some peaches. add some strawberries. Do you like strawberries more or peaches?
I like strawberries more.
Peaches can be teeny. Ready?
Right.
They're frozen, so it sounds funny.
Ooh, it's gonna make it really cold though.
Yes. And then we need 1/3 cup. So this is a measuring cup. And it has 1/4 and 1/3 and so on and so forth. We're going to have 1/3 cup of this coconut milk. Let's grab a spoon. Get that out.
Is that sharp?
Yes, it's very sharp. That's why we should definitely have parents help to make these things. Set that way over there. Okay, so now we need 1/3 cup of this lovely stuff. A little too much. Did you know science has got a lot of math in it too?
I like math.
I like math too. Maybe we should try this one more time. What's nice about this is I haven't made a mess yet. Oh, but I have. See, look at the counter. I like making messes. So yeah, that looks a little creamier, doesn't it? There we go.
That looks better.
Awesome. So let's pour it on in. I have a little spatula here because we want to get as much in as we can. I don't know. What do you think? So it's natural sugar. We're going to use a teaspoon of that. Do you like honey? I like honey.
I do too.
If you like honey, you should like this video here. My son says that I need to say like our video, by the way.
Be sure to share and subscribe to our channel.
And something about smashing that bell. So you guys smash that bell. I've been told to tell you that. So now we need the ice cubes.
Okay.
Ice cubes are over here. Keep them all nice and frozen. And it says we need 15 ice cubes. Do you want to help count?
Oh, Melinda and Lola are here. Maybe they can help.
I'd love to count.
Oh, yay! So let's start this. We got 2.
1, 2, 3,
3, 4, 5, 6. It was a half, so we'll go for 6 and a half. 7, 8, 9. This is really close, guys. This is 3. So what's 9 plus 3?
10, 11, 12.
Whoa, now we need 3 more.
13, 14, 15.
Woohoo! That's cold ice. Are you ready for some noise?
It's gonna be
This is
loud.
the fun part. And I'm really bad at not getting this lid on tight. You don't put this lid on tight, and then we get a little different experience. It will go. I'm not doing that today. That's really loud. How do you get the stuff down, Michelle? Well, let's see what this is for. Are you enjoying yourselves at home? How noisy is that?
I think it's very noisy, and we might need more liquid.
Ooh, we could have more liquid. Yum. That looks awesome, doesn't it? It sounded like it burped, huh? That was so fun. So what do you think? More liquid? This is awesome. What kind of liquid are we using? We're using coconut milk. Okay, let's mix her up a little bit down here, just for fun. So why don't you guys come back in a few minutes after I get this all mixed up. Welcome back! Magic. Let's see how it is. Come on, check that out. Let me get my spatula. You know, it'd be awesome if I spilt this right now. No, it wouldn't be awesome. Some for Christina. There's that one. And some for Lola. Melinda ran away during the mixing. It was pretty loud. I'd run away too. Just a little bit for Lola.
You can take some out of my cup, Michelle.
Oh, I will.
Okay.
I'm gonna make it fair. Check this out. Do you think it's gonna taste more like strawberry or peaches? It's kind of smushy. Okay. You ready to taste this, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Put that back up there. And we'll give Lola a little bit more of Christina's. Ooh, shall we get straws? Okay, I got some straws. So here's 1, 2, 3. Here you go, Lola. Let's try it out.
Mmm.
Can you taste the strawberries?
I can.
I can. You can taste the strawberries.
Can you taste the peaches?
A little bit. I taste more strawberry.
The recipe's coming home with you, so stay tuned. There'll be more things. We're gonna blow something up next. We're gonna make some moon rocks now. So we're gonna make a science project in here, and then we're gonna let them set overnight, and then we'll blow them up. Want to blow
Yay.
some stuff up?
Just.
Okay, so Christina and Lola's gonna help today. And you guys want to take turns pouring the baking soda? It's 4 cups of baking soda.
I'll let Lola do it.
Oh, good. Okay. And the water. Mix those 2 up together. That's 1/4 a cup of water. And then while they're mixing, can you give me the colors, Christina? How's it doing?
Doing
Are we gonna
good.
Is it doing
Gotta
good?
be.
Okay, well, let's get some color in there. What color is it?
That looks like a teal to me.
I think so too. Teal.
Oh, very
Oh,
nice
that's
color.
pretty.
Look at that color.
You can use black. The recipe calls for black, but we don't have any black, so we just grabbed what we had in the kitchen. We're using green, and this is my favorite color. What color is this?
This is purple. It's gonna be so pretty.
Ooh. I'm making purple bubbles.
Ooh, see what it looks like? It kind of looks like toothpaste.
It does. And you need a little bit more water, or we need it?
Everything was good. It's still holding together.
I think this stuff's gonna help. Oh,
make it sparkly.
Do you think the moon rocks are sparkly? I don't know if they really are, but these rocks are awesome. Maybe we shouldn't call them moon rocks. Maybe we'll just call them awesome rocks. Early Head Start rocks. Check it out on Facebook. And this turquoise, it says it's turquoise right there. Ooh, I like that color.
Oh, that's
It's
pretty.
awesome. Gold, a little gold. A little gold and more gold. Those actually look cool.
That's good.
Wow. That's kind of cool.
Those look awesome. I think we have used all the colors we have. Once you get it all mixed up and together, sometimes you gotta prepare your science project before you can blow it up, and that's what we're doing right now. You know that.
I think we're making them kind of bigger.
We got all this to figure out. But do you think we need a little bit more water in there? Is that what it is? So, once you get your good consistency, your color you like, do we need more glitter? I think that's enough glitter too, don't you think?
Yeah.
You just roll your balls on
You
that.
guys are staying more purple. Mine are going in very.
Because the color's going into your hand more. So that's a good question. I think because we have our gloves on, the color's staying in our balls. And with yours, you get more color on your hands. Isn't it weird we use purple and green and got blue? I'm making a mess. So once we get all our balls made up, we're gonna let them dry overnight. That way they become hard and solid. And then,
They will explode.
yes, when we come back.
24 hours later.
So we let our rocks set overnight. So they're nice and hard and they're solid rock. They look pretty neat. You wanna come in and look? Come on in and look. Check these balls out. You see all the sprinkles in the rocks and they look really cool. Let's take one into the sun for a second. It glows. It kind of like hits the sun and sparkles. Can you see it?
Wow.
Awesome. Let's blow them up. As pretty as they are. Let's blow this one up. So I've got 3 different types of acids here. We're going to see which liquid blows these rocks up better. Lemon juice. Smells like lemons. I'm going to drop this rock into this lemon juice and we're going to see what happens. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Look at that lemon juice. It's making lots of bubbles. Who wants to drop another rock in? Let's do it. Ew, you should feel it. It's all slimy. Check it out. Does it feel weird, Lindsay?
Yeah. Look at all that glitter.
The other ball's still in here too. Oh,
Oh,
check it
look
out.
how
Look,
cool
it
that
looks
looks.
like that
Looks like
awesome.
a geode.
It does. It looks like a geode. You're right.
Oh, that's kind of gross.
That is gross, but it's still fun. Hey, Lindsay, why don't you grab me that lemon juice? Let's just pour it on in. Let's see how big of a mess Lindsay can make. There we go, that's good. So we're gonna go on to the vinegar once we get these rocks cleaned up.
Ooh, oh, it's so pretty, look.
It is.
Yeah,
Look
it looks,
at my fingers.
it's like a galaxy.
Check it out.
Can you write Early Head Start in there?
I bet you can.
Good job, Melinda.
Awesome.
Wow.
So the lemon juice was awesome. Check all that out. We blew it up. We got it on the ground. Now let's try the coffee. Let's see what it does. 3, 2, 1. Aww, boo. Well, maybe a tiny bit. Check it out. Coffee just totally.
It disintegrated the
It
whole
just-
ball.
Yeah, check it out. It didn't blow it up at all. It just made it gooky.
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 That's a
good
fun word.
That's everybody say gooky.
Gooky.
Okay, now this looks like water. Melinda, you want to smell it for me? That's not water. What is it?
It's vinegar.
Awesome. So vinegar and our blue rock are gonna get it together. Let's see what happens.
Wow.
Oh, look
Wow.
at it.
Look at all that glitter.
It's like got some heat to it, I think. Can you see it?
Oh, yeah.
Can you see it?
I don't know if we could
It does.
pop that
I don't know if you
on.
can see it on the camera or not, but it's kind of.
Yeah, I can see the vinegar.
They can see it way over there too.
Oh.
Oh, we're gonna have to do that again. Look how many balls we have left.
Oh, and that one,
And this one looks like a Geo too.
this one went all the way through.
It did. Where the lemon didn't. But you know what I brought to the game today? Oh. But what else can we do? Comment below if you have other ideas on how to blow up these rocks. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make a rock pile. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Aw, come on, 5. There you go. 6. Lindsay says it's not going to work, guys. Comment below if you think it is. Ha ha ha. Check my rock pile out. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, feel it. It feels weird. It's like a bath bomb.
Yes. That's
Without,
what it feels like.
yeah.
Without the good smelling stuff, because
Yeah,
this
vinegar
stinks.
doesn't smell as well. Woo! That's quite the mess. A little bit more just for fun. You know, we've got a few more things left to do for this wonderful socialization, but make sure you subscribe and like this video so that we can do more awesome stuff for you guys. We'll be back. Check out the lemon. It makes it really... Science is fun for everyone. Check it out. Wait, let's go. Okay. So, I thought what we would do for snack is make just some simple top ramen. It's an easy snack, but we're gonna mad science it up. So, this takes parents. So this is what mom's doing while you're making your moon rocks, okay? While you're playing with your moon rocks, mom's doing this. So she's gonna take a couple cups of water. And so here's a crazy question you can put in your comments. Does mom break hers up or just lay it in there? Let me know in the comments. Everybody makes their ramen a different way. So I'm not going to say this is the right way to make ramen, this is the wrong way to make ramen. What I'm going to show you is how I make ramen with a twist. So once the water gets boiling, we're going to, yes, I broke it up. I just broke it once. It's easier to get in the pot. So, and then we're going to cook it for 3 minutes. That's all it says is 3 minutes. It's lovely. Put my little chicken to the side, but here's where it gets a little interesting. I'm gonna make pink ramen right now. Do you like pink? I like pink. Just a little bit of pink. Well, you know what? I wouldn't be mad if it wasn't pink. Check that out. Can you see the bubbles? The bubbles are pink too. 3 minutes. Some people put their seasoning in so it can cook into the water. Some people wait and put seasoning after, like the instructions. I really don't care one way or another. So let me know what you like. Are you a lots of noodles and a little bit of soup? Or are you a lots of soup and little noodles? Melinda, I think your soup is ready. It's very hot. Be careful.
Please blow on it.
I'll blow on it. Don't worry.
It's good.
Tastes like top ramen, right?
It is
Sweet.
good.
Debbie wanted purple ramen, so we're going to go ahead and take our ramen. We've already got our water boiling, and we're gonna do the whole block now. And then we'll take our little chicken, put it to the side. Now you can have any type of ramen. Lindsay, what's your favorite type of ramen? She's shy. Lindsay loves herself some lemon and shrimp or lime and shrimp ramen, I've heard.
Mm-hmm.
So come on over here and watch it turn purple. Right now it's pink again, right? But we add just a little bit of blue. And there you go. Getting purple ramen. That is so cool. Come back out in about 3 minutes in video land time, and we'll have some purple ramen. Check out those purple bubbles. The noodles are turning purple. They're still kind of pink, but they're getting there. We got about 1 or so minutes left to let these little noodles cook on up. Okay, we're about ready to make us some purple ramen for Debbie. Debbie, are you ready for your purple ramen?
I'm ready when you are.
Awesome. Purple mad science ramen for lunch.
A few minutes later.
It's too hot.
Oh yeah, no, you're good.
Gotta cool it down a bit.
It's an awesome color of purple, huh?
Mm-hmm. I think it is.
So, pack 3, we're gonna crumble. Why not? Oh my goodness, I'm making some people so mad right now. We're boiling up right now, and we're gonna put them on in. 1, 2, buckle my shoe, we got a few more. And the door is opening. I'm gonna make some blue right now. Have you ever had blue ramen? Check that, well, check that color out.
Oh.
I love to watch it as it. Let's put one more. I think that's enough blue. What do you think? I don't know. Do you like dark blue or light blue? I think that's plenty blue. Look how the colors are dancing around. Check this out. I like how the different colors of blue are in here. The noodles almost look green. I'm getting ready to add the sauce. It's getting hot. So I think because there's some orange in the chicken, it kind of looks kind of green, but it's a teal. I really like this teal color. So let's put it in the bowl. Because it's getting hot. Now remember, moms, let the kids see the colors as you're making it together, but make sure they don't touch that hot stove. Does anybody else want ramen before I finish? Are we all good? Well, next time, who knows? We'll be blowing something up. You never know. Hi, welcome back to Early Head Start. I told you our next experiment was going to be blowing stuff up. So we're going to blow up some Diet Pepsi and Mentos. Today, I have blue raspberry Mentos and regular mint flavored Mentos. And we're going to do a little experiment and see which one goes higher. So, Lindsay's going to help me today. Do you want blue or mint?
I'll do blue.
Okay. So the theory here is, Lindsay, that we're going to take off our cap. We're going to put this stuff in here in our little toilet paper wrapper and just slide across with a piece of paper inside. And we're going to...
Can I eat one?
I think you already did. Are they blue?
Do you want them all in there?
Well, the bigger bang for your buck there. How do you get yours out? I'm like rolling them out.
I push.
Oh. Squeeze a little bit.
Those are good.
The blues are good. You want to taste the mint too? No, not going to happen here. And so we're going to take the cap off and put this in here. So you got them all in? Awesome. We're going to... You're getting ready to explode right there. Okay. So whatever you do, don't pull your thing before I pull mine. And mine is a lot more likely to go before yours. Check that out.
Let me go first.
We're going at the same time, girl. Let me get my paper back in there. Okay, paper in. Secure. Yours is in? Okay, are you guys ready at home? Okay.
Can we do a countdown?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's kind of cool. Yours definitely went higher though.
It did. The mint went higher. Wow. Okay. Thanks. See you in a minute. We're going to make some healthy science snacks. So we're going to make some fruit roll-ups. We're going to blend some stuff. We're going to give it a little sweetener. We're going to lay it out and let it dehydrate in the oven for 6 hours. It takes a long time, but it's at a very low level. so that it doesn't cook it, it just takes out the water. So let's get started. We need 2 to 3 cups of fruit. So let's make peach first. Let's see for how much we get. This is a 4-cup measuring cup, so we don't need to quite fill it up. We need to get 3 cups. There's some peaches. Yum, yum, yum. Now we're going to use honey for our sweetener instead of sugar because it's better for you. You can use fresh fruit, you can use frozen fruit. We're just going to go for it. So we have about 3 or 4 cups of peaches in here we're going to add in here. And then it calls for 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Lemon juice is going to keep it from turning it brown. That's where the science comes in because the acid in the lemon juice counteracts the aging process of the fruit. Otherwise, you'd have like really brown looking fruit roll-ups. Okay, just a little bit of lemon juice. And then the fun part is the honey. So we always love honey. Hi, Dave. So here's some honey. And
Few moments later. Later.
now it calls for 2 to 3. So we're gonna go for 3 because I like a little sweet. And peaches can be tangy, so okay. Getting it all in there. I could eyeball it, but then I could use a lot more. We have honey. Yum, yum. Now remember, if you have a 2-year-old, honey's great for them. But under 2, we need to be careful about honey, especially raw honey. So we'll be back in a minute after I make some noise. Okay, so we pureed that up. Check it out. It's really nice and liquidy.
Yummy.
And now we're going to take it and we're going to put it on parchment paper that we've already got ready. And spread it out here. Let's start with that much. My grandmother used to make these when I was little by scratch just like this. I got a little on my shirt. And she would, this is back in the day, okay? She would take it out and just lay this parchment paper on her table outside, on her picnic table. And it would dry out that way. But it was like the best thing to do is come to Grandma's house and get to have fresh fruit roll-ups. So much better than the fruit roll-ups we have nowadays. I think everything's better fresh anyways. So we're just going to stretch that out, get a thin layer. And then we're going to pass it off to somebody behind me to put in the oven. You ready? Look at all these ladies behind us today. Yay. They can't wait for the fruit leather.
You want on the first?
Sure. So 6 hours from now we'll come back and we'll have some peach. We're going to make our strawberry fruit leather. So we need to again have about 3 cups of strawberries. That looks good to me. Pull them on. Oh, strawberry down. Yum. Okay. then we need another tablespoon, because we're going to put a tablespoon of lemon juice in here. Now, if you want to get really creative, you can mix your fruit. You can have a peach and strawberry or blueberry and strawberry. You can have mango fruit leather. Let me know which your favorite fruit leather flavor is. We got, because we're measuring with science, there's 1, 2, that's some good looking honey. 3, and you know what? Just because I like honey, we're gonna go like that. Get all this out of here. If you want to see more recipes on our YouTube page, just comment below. So through the magic of time, we've got some awesome strawberry puree that we're gonna put in. Check this out. We're gonna put it on in the pan with parchment paper. Oh, look at that. That looks awesome. That's gonna be some big fruit leather.
Oh, looks good.
Yeah, it's shiny. Now we're gonna hand this over to Lola so she can pop it in the oven. Wish you guys could smell this. Smell-o-vision is great. Okay, in 6 hours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we'll be back.
6 hours later.
Hey everyone, it's been 6 hours, and now we're gonna see what our fruit leather looks like. I wish we had smell-o-vision, because this is awesome smell. This is the peach flavor. Wow. Oh, it looks good. Let's see how the strawberry did. It looks so awesome. Now we're gonna let this cool so I can touch it, and then we're gonna cut it up in strips. So once they cool enough to touch, then you can cut them apart. And roll them on up. Here you go, Lindsay. Try it out.
Is that good, Lindsay?
Pretty good. Want to try some a little? Crunchy.
Check this one out.
Oh, I'd like to try some of that one.
Ah. Here.
Hey, thank you.
You're so welcome.
Dina, would you like to try some?
Delicious.
It's very easy to cut.
It's strawberry.
Yeah. Okay, well, I've heard some elephant toothpaste are coming up, and we'll be back in a minute. Yes, take it off the paper, Christina. So I thought we'd do some real science for a minute. everything we've been doing is science, but this is going to let you see music. We're going to do something we use all the time in Early Head Start. We're going to make some oobleck. Lola and Dina are here to help me. That's probably, let's just get one more for fun. Okay.
Trying to lean on the water.
Okay. That's always the tricky part for me.
I know.
Okay, let's start there. Can you see it? It's like, it's hard to mix up. Yeah, we can have some more. Yeah, but we might as
I
well.
guess that's no fun, huh?
No. At least I used warm water, huh?
That's right.
It's looking good over here, but we could probably use some more water.
Let me put it like where Mama is.
You see how the cornstarch and water react to each other? It becomes not a solid and not a liquid. They don't mix well together, but it makes it a lot of fun. Would you look up what this is called scientifically, please? A little bit more, because Lola's got some dry over there.
Want more over there?
Maybe a no. There we go.
So oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid. It acts like a liquid when being poured, but like a solid when a force is acting on it. You can grab it and then it will ooze out of your hands.
Because here's where the mad science goes. I've got my speakers here, and we're going to see music. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our oobleck, and we're going to put some colors in it. So let's put a little bit of each color in it. You guys can go ahead and continue to play. Go ahead and drink it. You can't quite do it.
A handful, huh?
Yeah. I'm artsy fartsy, so I like color. Cornstarch and some water and some food coloring. That's all we're using today. find the recipe for elephant toothpaste. Now this one is one that you do as a parent and let the kids watch because it has heat to it and it uses peroxide. But what we're going for is the explosion we're gonna get. So it's really good. It has everything's laid out, all your materials, and then the ingredients even is pictures so you can have the kids help you find the ingredients around the house. And then it really is simple to do. So we're gonna get this started. It says mix the yeast pack with 2 tablespoons of warm water, 3 tablespoons of warm water, and stir for. So here's the thing: 1 yeast pack, 3 tablespoons of water. 2 yeast packs, 6 tablespoons of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In case you didn't know, I'm doubling this recipe. Bigger bang for your buck, guys. So and then I have this dry yeast. Let's put this water over here. It's nice and warm. We might just warm our hands up for a minute. And then we're going to put these 2 yeast packs into the water and stir it on up. Little yeast everywhere. Stir, stir, stir. It says stir it for 30 seconds.
A few moments later.
30. Set that to the side. Now it says you need a half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. So we need a whole cup because we're doubling it, don't forget. Into our empty bottle. So let's see, we got half a cup. Let's turn this around so you guys can see it. So, but we want a full cup because we're doubling, remember? There you are. Okay. Pour this on in. Now it says add some food coloring. What color do you guys want? Pink. Let's put some pink. Because, you know, what's my favorite color? Purple. Let's just put a couple drops of blue in there and see how that goes. And then it says 1 strong squeeze. So we're going to give it a strong squeeze. 1 strong squeeze. Because we're doubling it, we need 2 strong squeezes, right? Okay. Now, I don't know if I'm ready. Are you ready? Here it comes. Cold out here. Oh man, we're gonna do this again. We got 1 pack if it doesn't work. It's coming. There it goes. It's not very bangy. Oh, it's warm though. Feel that. Wow. That was super fun. I got a smaller bottle this time, and we're going to see how much bigger explosion we can get. You okay?
Yep.
Stir this up just a little bit more and set it to the side so it's ready to go. Who's ready for explosions? Are you ready? comes. That's what I wanted. Look at it go. Well, I definitely think we have made a mess. Does anybody else think there's no mess that I can make? You got a mess? You got an experiment you want me to try? Leave it in the comments below.
So I wanted to talk to you about our science experiments, Christina. Which one was your favorite?
Well, I think the music with the oobleck was my favorite. It was fun to watch the oobleck go all over the place and see how it danced with the music.
Yeah, what was the worst experiment we did?
Well, I mean, I wouldn't say it's the worst, but getting hit in the face with elephant toothpaste was quite interesting.
Yeah, let's take a look real quick. I'm in the middle of editing the program right now, the video. So, but I wanted to take a chance to show you that we really tried our best to edit sometimes things don't all work as well as you noticed. But we get some good video. The experiment wasn't going quite as we wanted to. I think because it was colder too, and yeast needs heat to really activate.
Yeah.
So what we were trying to do was get it to foam up a little bit more. Sorry, my phone rang.
I think that maybe if we would have had a smaller bottle to start with, we would have gotten a little bit more, but I agree that the cold. Oh, my favorite part.
That wasn't quite what we were going with, right?
Not that I knew of.
I don't think it was any of us. But how did it feel?
It was a little warm and it was slimy. I definitely could feel the soap.
Yeah.
So I'm not quite sure if I'll get that shirt back. That's okay. It was all, for the experiment, but it's quite interesting.
It just reminds us that science experiments sometimes don't go the way we want, but they can still be educational and learning, because we were able to still get to play with the foam and get to see the reaction. So thank you for joining me today.
Thank you.
I can't wait to see it on live.
I'm excited.
Oh, I seen it live. I can't wait to see it on YouTube.
All right. Thank you.
So I hope you guys had fun with our socialization. And remember that science, although can be messy, we've done a lot of different things, like making food and blowing Coke up and doing music with science. Science is everyday things that you can be enjoying with your friends and your family and your children. Now, don't forget to like our page. Tell us how we did. If you have any ideas on what else we can do, just hit us up. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.